Few weeks back, Oraimo reached out and said they want to send out a mystery box, which we have here, and fingers crossed, I think it packs a lot of goodies. Let's open up the box and see what we have inside. Opening up the box, we have this camo shirt. Let me remove this one I'm wearing right now and we'll be back. Hopefully if I wear it on the road, the Nigerian army won't tell me to take it off. Getting back into the box, we have this umbrella which is portable and I can put it by the side of my backpack when the rainy season is here. Staying hydrated is important and Oraimo cares about my health. That is why they sent over a branded bottle which reminds me to always drink water. If I am out and about and a video idea comes to my mind, I need to write it down somewhere before it swipes off my mind. That is where the notepad comes in. Also, you can keep it in your pocket for it to be on you. But if you need something bigger and also want to keep it on your desk, then you will pick up this journal that reminds you to keep exploring. Before I pen down what is on my mind, but I will surely need something to use to write down these ideas. And I love how they included a pen, which reminds me to keep exploring. For the man of the moment, we have been waiting for the Oraimo Free Pots 2, the 2 Baba edition, and Omo, it comes in this premium package and it comes in this black case. And opening it, we have the free pot itself with gold accents on it, and when it is in your ear, you won't feel any pain after some hours of playback. With all these goodies, I won't want to carry the box out every time. That is why Oraimo included this bag. If you enjoyed this unboxing, kindly share, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the video showing you on your screen right now.